Chapter 9, Tools for Creating. This chapter focuses on various apps that can be used to create projects and assignments, allowing students to demonstrate their learning. We are going to focus on 4 different apps with some examples of assignments that can be done with them. The first app we are looking at is Comic Life. This app allows students the ability to create and design their own comic pages or graphic novels. Several templates are available, and what this app does, think of it this way. For years, teachers have assigned book reports of various types to students, whether audio or written. And what Comic Life allows students to do now is use visuals to demonstrate what they have learned and help liven up their projects and presentations. This also allows teachers the ability to evaluate what a student does or doesn't know based upon how they have analyzed or demonstrated some understanding of the topic or whatever it is that they are working on. Some uses for Comic Life, an example given in the textbook was to focus on and study a person or topic in history. Pictures bring the topic to life and provide a more of an emotional attachment for students by helping them to visualize the person or event that they are studying. When you combine that with writing, this kind of project allows the students to share their information in multiple ways and help reach multiple types of learners with a multidisciplinary approach. A possible alternative, Android alternative, would be a Comic and Meme Creator. The next app we are looking at is Strip Designer. Very similar to Comic Life, Strip Designer doesn't seem to have as many features or options as Comic Life. Pictures can be imported, and it seems to work very well for displaying pictures, which leads us to our next example. An example given in the book here was to focus on United States citizenship, and a student made a visual of the patterns of migration to America and the United States. He took pictures starting with Native Americans a couple thousand years ago and went through over time showing pictures of immigrants, people who have traveled to this country and have come all the way, he worked his way up to the present day immigrants that come to the United States today. And he used this visual to answer 2 key questions that were posed to him. Now this could be used as a visual also for a presentation. The pictures serve as prompts for the student to discuss the various parts of migration as well. A possible Android alternative, Comic Strip It. You can see the picture of it right there. The next app that discussed from the chapter is GarageBand. GarageBand has a lot of options. You can create music and sounds using the app itself. It also works well to create audio files, which students can then record and use that information in any way they want. They can integrate it within other projects. GarageBand also has a number of audio editing tools as well. An Android alternative is the app StageLight, which does offer many different instrument options and audio options as well. The final app we are looking at from this chapter is iMovie. iMovie is well known in the Apple community because of its ability to record video, is able to take images, utilize many different images from pictures that have been taken, and they can be incorporated within the iMovie itself. GarageBand works very well with iMovie. Sounds and audio from GarageBand are brought in, integrated within whatever the student is working on. There are a wide range of potential uses in the classroom. You can use this app for video projects, if students are on field trips, they can take video or pictures from the field trip and come back to class and create a video showing the highlights from the trip. They could use iMovie for creating interviews, creating stories. It was even mentioned in the book of a student could take a short movie or cartoon clip and take the audio out of it and translate it into a different language, let's say for a Spanish class, and translate that short clip into Spanish, allowing students then to listen to it in Spanish. An Android alternative is Video Show. This seems to be a very popular app for Android. Over 50 million downloads for this app alone. This chapter discussed a number of different apps that, with a little consideration and creativity, can be used within really any subject area. The options are endless, the possibilities are endless. All you need is a little creativity and some time. Thanks for listening.